Good morning, Year 1. Today we're going to continue looking at our numbers from 0 to 20. Our star words of today are how many, one lot of 10, tens, ones and more. See how many of those you can use throughout the lesson. Let's start with a power-up. For this you're going to need a pen and a piece of paper. In a moment, ask your adult to put a timer on their clock for 1 minute and then see how many numbers between 0 and 20 you can write down in order in that minute. Don't worry if you can't get them all, we'll be doing this throughout the week and you can get quicker and quicker and maybe by the end you'll be able to get them all. Well done for doing that. Have a check on the screen to see if you got the numbers in the correct order. Don't worry if you didn't, we will continue to practice this throughout the week. Let's take a moment to discover. Have a look at all the different things in this picture and have a go at counting them. You could count the flags, the apples on each of the trees and the flowers. Pause the video now and see what the different things you can count are. Did you do that? Well done. Next we're going to be looking at if there is an easier way to count objects that are more than 10. Let's have a look together. Have a look at this picture of lots of different bananas. Our question is asking us how many bananas there are. Pause the video and count them to see. Did you do that? Brilliant. Let's do that together. You ready to count with me? I want to hear you counting along. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There were 13 bananas, but that took me quite a long time to count. Do you think you can think of a different way of how we can make this quicker? Talk to the person you're with and see if you can tell them. Brilliant. I'm going to show you an easier way to count these bananas. What I have done is grouped the bananas into tens first. Here I have got 10 bananas and I know there is 10 in this box. Then I've put the remaining bananas here in my ones column. Now I know there's 10 bananas in my tens, so I don't need to count them. All I need to do is count on to see how many bananas have been added to my group of 10. Can you count on with me? Remember, we already know there's 10 here, so we're going to start from the number 10. Ready? 10, 11, 12, 13. Wasn't that so much quicker? I'm going to put 13 up here to remind me. Another way of writing this is adding them together. So I started with 10 and then I added 3 more to make 13, which I can see in my number sentence up here. Let's have a go at doing this again. Our question is asking, how many chocolates are there? Now, we could count them one by one. This would be a way to find out. But do you think you could pause the video and tell the person you're with a quicker way of counting these chocolates? Well done. Did you think of a quicker way? Why don't we try putting them into a group of 10 first and then counting on and see if that would be quicker? I'll show you how to do that now. Can you see what I've done? I started by putting 10 of the chocolate bars in this group here. I know that there's 10 there, and so I don't need to count them. All I need to do is count the ones that are left. There's one group of 10 here, and I want to know how many ones are left. Do you think you can help me count on to find out how many there is in total? Remember, when we count, we're going to start from 10 because we know there is one group of 10 here. Are you ready? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. There were 18 bars of chocolate. Now, We could write this as a number sentence using our plus sign. Do you think you could pause the video and tell the adult you are with what number sentence you could write for this here? Did you think of a number sentence? Brilliant. I'll show you now. 10 plus 8 equals 18. I can see here that I have one group of 10, so that's in my number sentence, and then I have 8 ones, which is also in my number sentence. And when we added them together, when we counted them all, it made 18. Well done if you got that number sentence. Your task for today is to copy the pictures here into your workbook. Put a ring around a group of 10 and then see how many ones are left. Then write a number sentence for this. You can see that I've done the first one for you. Here I've put a ring around a group of 10 apples, so that's one group of 10, and then I've counted on from 10. 10, 11. There was one and one group of 10, which I've written in my number sentence. 10 plus 1 equals 11. See if you could do that for these. Your challenge here is to see if you can make your own picture for this number sentence. Don't forget to send pictures to your teacher. Well done for your incredible work on numbers from 0 to 20. I will see you again tomorrow. Bye!